Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select General Management, go to Reset, scroll a bit lower and here you will notice Reset All Settings. Click to do it, and if you truly want to reset all the settings on your phone, except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and downloaded app settings, just click on Reset Settings. At first, you have to provide your screen lock PIN code, confirm that you want to do it by tapping on Reset, and wait till it's performed. As you can see, it has been already done. Now your phone will be rebooted and you will be able to smoothly use it again within a couple of seconds. Now you can unlock it and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.